Pollution can make your skin age actually 10 times faster. Today I'm going to teach you exactly how to reverse that damage. Do you see these clogged pores and do you see my clear skin right now? Well, this difference happened because of these three things that I incorporated, especially to combat the pollution right now. Is your skin feeling dry, tight, flaky, dehydrated this winter, especially with the pollution levels rising? Stop. You need to hear this right now. Clogged pores basically happen because our skin cannot breathe and using a face wash alone cannot help. I am using some face massage oil to actually double cleanse my skin and then go in with a Kansa wand in a circular manner to actually reduce the acidity in my skin and also ensure that my skin pH level is balanced. If I go in and do this for the next 5 minutes, there will be a full grey suit such as this one on my face because that is the amount of toxins that my skin is constantly absorbing. Remember, the skin is also an organ which is constantly breathing, and if there are toxins in the air or pollution in the air, our skin is actually absorbing that at a complete surface level all the time, 24 hours. And that's where our skin needs a detox. Once you've double cleansed, used a face oil and a Kansa or just used a face oil and lightly massaged your skin, you then go in with your face wash to actually deeply clean your skin. Now remember, take your face wash, go in for almost a minute, especially around your nose area, your upper lip area, and your forehead area. Massage the face wash itself for 60 seconds. Splash cold water and rinse your skin deeply. House of Beauty's face scrub has green tea and kojic acid. Kojic acid is basically a Japanese fungus that we use for uneven skin tone correction, pigmentation correction, and to banish dry, flaky skin. After 35, exfoliating your skin is very, very important, and it is a myth that granular scrubs will actually go and scar your skin. If you have a light scrub such as this check texture, it is the best thing you could do for your skin. But remember not to overdo it and use this face scrub only once or twice a week. Every time you exfoliate to remove that dry, flaky skin, your skin is actually thanking you because dry skin forms like a white layer on your skin. Your skincare products do not absorb better. Your skin cannot breathe, leading in clogged pores or open pores and other skin issues. That's why exfoliation is very important in your skincare. Last but not the least, once you've exfoliated, you need to put in that hydration back in. I like to use a vitamin C infused face mask such as this one. House of Beauty's 24K Gold Dust Mask is infused with vitamin C to brighten your skin. Now that you will apply this mask, you will leave it on for about 30 minutes. You can use this mask 3 times a week and only exfoliate once or twice a week. This will add in all the shine, all the dehydration will now get hydrated. Remember, during pollution months, we do not actually go heavy on skincare. We do masking and minimal skincare so that our skin can glow and breathe whatever little oxygen is left in the air. Once you've washed your face, I only like to go in with the collagen toner, a super light layer of skincare onto our skin. Now, if you're doing this in the morning, you will have to top it up with sunscreen, of course. And if you're doing this regime at night, you will top it up with a little bit of face oil to put in that hydration back. This is the time that you don't do 10-step layerings and do 2-step. 1, water layer, because the molecule size of water or toners, collagen hydrolyzed toners, is so small that it can go in and penetrate into your skin, and the oil actually acts like a sealant, so it helps in slugging or putting that hydration back and ensuring that you've sealed the lid on your skin and that water starts to repair at a cellular level. Our collagen toner has rosewater, hydrolyzed collagen and niacinamide, which is vitamin D3. All of these actually work in strengthening your skincare. I hope these pollution saving tips help you in any way. Happy pampering as always.